Every time your heating system operates, thousands of degrees of heat and combustion gases travel through your chimney. Without a proper liner, your chimney loses the safety barrier designed to contain that heat and safely vent those gases outdoors. That's why chimney liners exist. They protect your home from fire hazards, improve venting performance, and help prevent dangerous carbon monoxide from entering your living space. A premium chimney liner doesn't just protect your home, it helps you save money year after year. A properly sized liner can improve draft performance by up to 20%, helping your heating system operate more efficiently and reducing wasted fuel. Even more importantly, a quality stainless steel liner helps prevent moisture damage, corrosion, and chimney deterioration, avoiding repairs that can cost homeowners anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 or more. Only Shamrock Chimney offers the Shamrock Guardian stainless steel liner system, our premium American-made solution engineered for maximum safety and lifetime protection with a lifetime warranty. Contact us today and discover why homeowners trust the protection that no one else can offer. Only Shamrock Chimney offers the Guardian difference.